If you've never heard of the Ohio Meadows subdivision in North Gunnison, you're about to be seriously impressed. Think large lots, panoramic views, private fishing and national forest access, and you're only 12 minutes to downtown Gunnison or 35 to Crested Butte. Today I'm taking you inside 66 Tiama Trail. The home sits on over 3 acres with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 3,700 square feet. But the size actually isn't what stands out to me. Today, it's all about the quality of the build. The owners custom designed and built this home 23 years ago and have been the only owners ever since. That pride of ownership is evident from the moment you pull up. Everything is top of the line, everything is meticulously maintained. Step inside and you're greeted by a massive stone fireplace, soaring vaulted ceilings, and incredible views. From nearly every room, you're overlooking open pasture and mountain peaks. The main level features the large primary suite, complete with its own fireplace and huge ensuite with steam shower. The kitchen is anyone's dream. Custom wood cabinetry, granite countertops, high-end appliances, and thoughtful extras like a prep sink, 2 dishwashers, a warming drawer, and under cabinet and toe kick lighting. And just off the kitchen is one of my favorite rooms in the house, a bright, inviting sunroom that's the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee or read a book. Downstairs, you've got the remaining bedrooms and bathrooms, access to the 3-car garage, and a bonus room that works perfectly as a den, media room, home gym, or office, whatever you need it to be. Properties of this size and quality are hard to find in Gunnison. I'm Alex Richland with Signature Properties. Give me a call to schedule your private tour today.